Guys, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make TikTok comments sorted by newest. Firstly, open the TikTok app, of course, and select on a video. Now, select on the comment section after you play any video. Now, as you can see, these are all the top comments of this particular video. So how do we sort them to the newest one and not on the basis of some that are popular or not popular? So for that, just tap on the filter icon here. Now you'll see here as the top section is selected. So I'm getting all the top comments, but not the newest one. So if you want to unblock popular ones, just tap on newest. And these will be the newest comment. As you can see, this comment is done 1 minute ago, 28 minutes ago. And you will see this in the order of time uploaded. So if you all also want to sort to with media, then all the comment with media will be arrived. So make sure to tap on newest to see the comments as per your basis. So in this way, you can easily sort the comment section in TikTok app. If this helped you, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.